To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The Ombudsman for Financial Services and Securities Industry Dispute Resolution Center are in the final process of merger completion towards the full operation of the Financial Markets Ombudsman Service by 2025, according to Deputy Finance Minister Lim Hui Ying. She said the merger is aligned with the continuous commitment of Bank Negara Malaysia and the Securities Commission to boost the dispute resolution scheme's effectiveness and accessibility for financial consumers and investors. In line with the merger's implementation and to ensure the interest of those using financial institutions continues to be protected, BNM has conducted a review of the monetary awards for disputes to be handled by FMOS. Investors piled back into UK equity funds in November following 3.5 years of consecutive monthly withdrawals and a sharp sell-off ahead of the budget. Funds invested in UK stocks attracted a net £317 million in November from retail investors, according to data provider Calastone. The inflows mark a long-awaited reversal of net outflows as individuals have pulled out more than £25 billion over 41 consecutive months since May 2021. Investors have shunned UK equities in recent years in favour of global shares, especially fast-growing stocks such as US technology companies. The shift in sentiment comes after equity funds more broadly suffered record outflows in October as UK-based investors withdrew their money over concerns that the Chancellor would increase capital gains tax. In a bid to align the audit process of stockbrokers' technology and systems with the regulatory intent, market regulator the Securities and Exchange Board of India has proposed enabling stock exchanges to monitor and supervise stockbrokers' system audits through an online web portal. The move follows gaps noticed in the existing decade-old framework for system audits of stockbrokers, including poor quality, system audits without physical visits to brokers' premises, audits by non-qualified auditors, and the non-existence of an independent source for verification of audit. Thailand's cabinet has approved a draft law to set up a retirement lotto aimed at helping people to save the money they spend to buy lotto tickets for retirement, the Bangkok Post reports, citing Paupum Rojanasakal, Deputy Finance Minister of the Southeast Asian nation. The draft law will be vetted by the government's legal advisory body before it is tabled in Parliament, Paupum is quoted as saying in the report published on the 4th of December. The lotto tickets will be available to members of the National Savings Fund, a voluntary savings fund, and the self-employed who are covered by the Social Security Fund, a mandatory scheme for private sector employees. According to Paupum, every baht spent on the lotto will go toward the purchaser's savings. Purchasers can buy 3,000 baht worth of tickets every month at 50 baht each. There will be weekly drawings with 5 top prizes of 1 million baht each, while 10,000 other winners will receive 1,000 baht each. Winners will be able to claim prizes immediately, but the money they spend to buy the tickets can only be claimed when they turn 60 years old. A total of 2.65 million, or 36.2% of the 7.33 million active formal members of the Employees' Provident Fund aged 18 to 55, have achieved basic savings according to their age as of the 30th of October 2024, according to the Finance Ministry. The ministry said this figure represents an increase from 2.21 million, or 30.4% of the 7.25 million active formal members as of December 2022. The insufficiency of retirement savings is due to several factors, such as low salary structures and the eligible withdrawal age of 55 not aligning with Malaysia's retirement age. Additionally, inconsistent contributions and the low level of financial literacy among Malaysians result in a lack of awareness on the importance of financial and retirement planning, which contributes to insufficient savings, the ministry said in a written reply on the Parliament website. Looking for a job where you can be your own boss and set your own hours? Consider a career as a consultant selling unit trusts and private retirement schemes. Watch as Desmond Chong shares his inspiring journey and personal experiences. Exclusively on FIMM's YouTube channel. Read the latest issue of the e-Zine available at FIMM's official website to stay updated about what's going on in the industry.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.